Welcome, Team Easy Dating. I'm pumped to be here. Today's topic, what men find attractive. But before we get into that, if you guys want to join my email list and get way more free content, go down there and go click one of my free videos and you'll be added to my email list. So rock on. But let's talk about what men find attractive. And you know what it is? I'm going to tell you. It's accountability. We love a woman that can take accountability. And let me tell you a story of how I did this in my own life. So you may not know this about me, but I have been a very competitive soccer player my whole life, probably since I was 4. I played semi-pro from 18 to 26. Anyway, I'm in my 30s now. But I'm playing on a competitive team, an over 30 team. And last year I was the leading goal scorer, and I'm probably one of the best players. Now, fast forward, we've added a lot of players this year, and I still think I'm good, obviously, but I've been getting benched and not getting that much playing time. And what a lot of athletes would love to do, including myself, is look at the new manager and be like, oh, why am I not playing? I deserve to play. I'm the best, blah, blah, blah. No, absolutely not. We cannot get caught in that trap where we start looking to blame people and look outward. That is unacceptable. What I need to do is look at myself. What the heck am I doing? Why do I not deserve to be playing? And it's quite blatantly obvious. I've gained weight, winter weight. Mike's been hibernating and putting on a little weight, and he can't run as much as he used to. Fact, I can't. And that's why I'm not starting. And just to have good communication, because got to have good communication for dating skills and relationship, right? I spoke to the new manager. I said, what's going on? You know, why am I not starting? Mike, you're not in good enough shape. I said, great. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to get in freaking shape. I am going to bust my ass. I'm going to get in shape. Watch out for me. You know, I'm going to talk to you in a few weeks. We'll see where I'm at. I want my job back. I'm going to get this done. So that's where I'm at, and that's what I'm working on. So you guys can all hold me accountable, see if I get a little skinnier in these videos. I'm going to try. But anyway, your dating life, holding yourself accountable, you got to do it. So, like, think about it. I had this woman. Let me tell you a story. This woman client, or potential client, she's in her 60s. She's got $5 million in the bank. I know, crazy. That's a lot. Anyway, she just came off with working with this other dating coach. She's like, I spent 20 grand on this dating coach, and here's what happened. Like, she definitely made me a better person. And then I got an amazing guy, and I got in a relationship for a little bit. I was like, that sounds awesome. Sounds like the coach did the job. That's good. But she said about 3 or 4 months into the relationship, they broke up because it didn't work out. And then she went on to blame the coach. She was like, you know, I saw some minor things that were wrong with the guy, and I thought maybe I should end it. But my coach said to keep trying it. And now, like, what the heck is wrong with my coach? Why didn't they see the red flags? And I'm just like, come on, man. Like, you took a shot. Like, this could have ended up being something good. It wasn't. That happens. That happens. We all get it. We've all thought someone was great, and then we break up. I know I've done it. Shoot, I was with a woman, and then she cheated on me with a close friend. I thought she was fantastic until I found out she was cheating on me. And I wasn't a professional then, but stuff happens. Anyway, instead of pointing fingers, what the heck did I do wrong? In that instance where I got cheated on, I realized I didn't understand women. And the way I communicated to her pushed her away. And, you know, not that she should do that, but anyway, my accountability is, Mike, you need to learn how the freak women work so you can be a better boyfriend, a better lover, a better son, a better father one day. Like, I need to work on me. So the sexiest quality that you can have that men are going to appreciate is taking accountability. Like, when you do something wrong, say you did something wrong. Don't point the finger. We don't find that attractive. Like, think about if LeBron James, when he loses a final, he goes, ugh, you know, if my teammates were as good as me, they all stink, we'd win. Like if that dude could hit a three-pointer and that dude would pass me the ball more often, we would have won. No one would like LeBron James anymore. Instead, he goes, you know, I needed to play better. I needed to do more. You know, I needed to work harder. I wish I could have been, you know, a better teammate to all my players. All right? So what we can learn from LeBron James is pretend like the camera is always on you and always rolling, and you want to be seen as the best person you can be. And that involves falling on your sword. Take accountability for what you did wrong. Even if you're not fully wrong, what are you wrong for? And we're all going to make mistakes. I make mistakes at least 100 times a day. Let's be honest. Anyway, be accountable. And men are going to find that sexy and refreshing. And, you know, that potential client I had, you know, that might not be a person I can help. Because if she doesn't have the right mindset, it doesn't matter how good my strategy is. Some guy's going to be turned off by her, and it's just not going to work. So get that stuff done. You've seen it here. You know what to do. And then you're ready to rock and roll. All right, guys, that's my advice for now. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe. Tell me if you think being accountable is the way to go. So be like, Mike, in the comments. You must be accountable. You must fall on your sword. That's the only way to live life. And guys, we'll have a video for you next week. Check back in. Hit subscribe if you're not subscribed so you get to see more. Love you guys. We'll see you next time.